Namaste everyone. Welcome to Ask Prep. Our topic is Inspired Indians. Rakesh Sharma's journey to space not only represents a significant milestone in India's space exploration endeavors but also serves as a testament to the power of human ingenuity, collaboration, and determination. From his humble beginnings in Patiala, Punjab, to his historic voyage aboard the Soyuz spacecraft, Sharma's story is one of courage, dedication, and inspiration. Born on 13th January 1949, Sharma's early years were marked by a keen interest in aviation and a desire to soar above the clouds. His educational journey took him to St. George's Grammar School in Hyderabad, where he began to nurture his passion for flying. This passion only intensified when he enrolled in the National Defence Academy NDA in Khadkwasla, Maharashtra, to pursue pilot training, laying the groundwork for his future achievements. Upon completing his training, Sharma joined the Indian Air Force IAF in 1970, where he quickly established himself as a skilled and capable pilot. His assignments involved flying a variety of aircraft, including the renowned MiG-21, and his exemplary performance earned him the admiration of his peers and superiors alike. In 1982, Sharma's life took an unexpected turn when he was selected as one of two Indian candidates for the joint Indo-Soviet space mission. This historic collaboration between India and the Soviet Union marked a significant leap forward for both countries in the field of space exploration. Sharma's selection for this mission was a testament to his exceptional skills as a pilot and his unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of human achievement. Sharma underwent rigorous training in the Soviet Union as part of the Intercosmos program, preparing both physically and mentally for the challenges that awaited him in space. His training regimen included simulated space missions, survival exercises, and intensive study of the Soyuz spacecraft systems, ensuring that he was fully prepared for the rigors of space travel. On 2 April 1984, Sharma, along with Soviet cosmonauts Yuri Malyshev and Gennady Strykalov, embarked on their historic journey aboard the Soyuz T-11 spacecraft. During his time in space, Sharma conducted a series of scientific experiments, observed Earth from orbit, and communicated with ground control back in India. His interactions with then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, particularly his iconic response when asked how India looked from space, struck a chord with people across the nation and solidified his status as a national hero. Upon his return to Earth on 11 April 1984, Sharma was greeted with widespread adulation and acclaim. He was awarded the Ashoka Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry award, in recognition of his historic achievement. Additionally, he was honored with the title of Hero of the Soviet Union by the Soviet government, further underscoring the significance of his contribution to international space exploration. Following his retirement from the Indian Air Force in 1987, Sharma continued to play an active role in India's aerospace industry, serving as a consultant and advisor to various organizations. His legacy as India's first man in space continues to inspire future generations of astronauts and space enthusiasts, serving as a reminder of the limitless potential of human endeavor and the boundless expanse of the cosmos. Certainly, the iconic exchange between Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and Rakesh Sharma during his space mission is etched in the annals of Indian history. It occurred during a radio communication session between Sharma, who was aboard the Soyuz T-11 spacecraft, and Prime Minister Gandhi, who was in New Delhi. Prime Minister Gandhi asked Sharma, "How does India look from space?" expecting a technical or scientific response. However, Sharma's spontaneous and heartfelt reply resonated deeply with people across India. He responded with, "Sare jahan se acha, better than the entire world," referencing a line from the famous Urdu poem Sare jahan se acha written by Muhammad Iqbal.
ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है आपको? जी, मैं बगैर किसी झिझक के कह सकता हूँ कि सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Sharma's poetic response not only captured the beauty and diversity of India but also reflected a sense of national pride and unity. It struck a chord with people across the country who were moved by his profound words spoken from the depths of space. This exchange remains one of the most memorable moments of Sharma's historic space mission and continues to inspire generations of Indians.